Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will create a piece of software called Ticket Sales in C programming language. So let's get started. First of all, we need to use CRT secure no warnings and then include stdio.h void main bracket, curly bracket, and then define the first constant. It's called ticket price 4.5 f is the stable float. Then we need to define the variables, and we have tickets available, we have equal 10, we also have tickets needed, and we have total price. This is the first output. Printf, welcome to the Enrico Ticket Sales Office. Then printf, open bracket, there are, and we use the variables, tickets available. Each ticket cost, and we use again the other variable. We need to have ticket available and ticket price. Another operation of output, printf, open brackets. How many tickets do you need? And we write the amount. Scanf is the operation of input, and we put our number of tickets that we need, tickets needed, and it will be the variable to replace our number. We need to make calculate the total price is equals tickets needed multiply the ticket price. And then we need to update also the ticket available. So ticket availables is equal ticket availables minus ticket needed. Then our output would be thank you. Again, printf, open bracket, you have both, and we use the variable tickets, each ticket cost, tickets needed, printf, total cost that we need to calculate is in GP pound. Total price, printf, open brackets, there are tickets remaining, and we need the system need to calculate how many tickets are available. Printf, have a good day. Close the curly bracket and make the debug. It doesn't work because this variable should be the same. Let's find the other error. In here should be another error in, and this flash should be adjusted. Now let's run the software, and we have the first statement Welcome to Enrico Ticket Sales Office. There are 10 tickets available. Each ticket costs £4.5. How many tickets do you need? And we write 2. Thank you. You have bought 2 tickets. Total cost is £9. There are 8 tickets remaining. Have a good day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below and stay tuned for the next tutorial. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and contact me for your next project. Thank you so much.